Celebrating Cinco de Mayo shouldn't cost you a fortune, right? Cinco de Mayo is around the corner, and celebrations don't have to break the bank. Celeste and Jose have some amazing tips to throw a festive gathering without overspending. First, focus on the essentials. Choose a vibrant theme and use decorations that you can make at home. Think colorful papel picado or DIY centerpieces with fresh flowers. Now let's talk food. Instead of expensive catering, prepare simple yet flavorful dishes. Tacos are a crowd pleaser. Use affordable proteins like beans or chicken and set up a taco bar. Guests can customize their own. Don't forget to make a refreshing agua fresca. Just blend fruits with water and a little sugar. It's delicious and budget-friendly. For entertainment, skip the pricey DJs. Create a playlist filled with lively mariachi and salsa music. Encourage guests to dance and join in the fun. Lastly, consider a potluck-style gathering. Invite friends to bring their favorite dish. It's a great way to share the load and enjoy diverse flavors. With these tips, Celeste and Jose show that celebrating Cinco de Mayo can be joyful and affordable.